Hello guys, welcome to this class. I hope so far so good. You have been enjoying yourself. So this class is scalping, day trading, and swing. All right. And the question here right now is, what kind of trader do you want to be? I think this is a question every trader want to ask before joining the trading industry. Right now we are in the generation where things are running fast, things are moving so fast. There are people, I'm from Nigeria, and there's this something that is going on right now. You see a lot of young people going into fraud. When there are businesses like Forex, trading, affiliate marketing going on, people making money, some people just decided to go into fraud and just become useless with their lives. So these people are looking for fast money. These guys are called Yahoo boys in Nigeria. That's the name we call them here. In case you're watching from America or Europe or from Asia, okay? Why did I go through that analogy? The something is a lot of people want fast money, and that defines the kind of trader some kind of people should be. People who are impatient will fall in between the scalpers and the day trader. If you are an impatient trader, you cannot hold trades for long. Like me, I am all this, okay? I can be a scalper and I can be a swing. This is where my greed often destroy most of my earnings in swing trading. I'm still trying to balance my mindset between these two, because the thing is, anytime I touch the market, I make money. But in the attempt of trying to still hold the trade, I lose most of my profit. I give most of my profit back to the market. So I'm still trying to balance those two aspects. So my greed is in the swing aspect, and my greed also is still in the scalping area. So watching this video, you should know yourself. Are you the type that is impatient? If you are impatient, you just want it fast, now. I think you should stay with scalping or day trading. So the scalp trades are very short-term trades happening mostly on the 1 minute to the 5 minutes. The day traders happen mostly on the 15 to the 1 hour. These are people who must close their trade today. They take a trade today and they must close it today. Those are the day traders. Then the swing trader are people who can hold trade between 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 3 weeks, 1 month. Okay, they can hold trades like that. Then they are position trader. I don't want to add that here because I don't think anyone watching this video is a position trader, except you have big money where you can hold trade for years. Okay, years. Hope you understand now. So what kind of traders are you? So depending on your job and schedule, any time frame is good. There are a lot of my students who tell me, I don't have time, Sam, I want to learn how to trade, but I really don't have time. Even if I buy your course, where is the time that I'm going to be using to trade? There's something it's easy. Trading does not stop you from your 9 to 5, okay? So this one, like I said, depending on your jobs and your schedule, any time frame is good. So if you are busy with your 9 to 5, if your 9 to 5 schedule is taking away your time from looking at the chart, all you just have to do is we arrange these ones, okay, for those kind of people. We take a trade, we finish our analysis weekend, we take trades Monday or Tuesday. Most time we avoid Monday. So if we take trade on Tuesday in the morning before you go to work, so the trade can just be there and running. We use some very defined risk management so that some pullbacks don't destroy the account while you are busy at work. It can demoralize your day, all right? Especially if you don't have enough to invest, okay? So, or you can be, just for people who run 9 to 5, you can just fall into the categories of swing trading between the 4-hour to the daily time frame. So that means you can hold a trade for more than 1 or 2 days. Because you are busy, your mind might not be there. So you can just allow the trade to keep working and running, to hit your target and some of your profit. I hope you understand. So I don't know if we need the charts. Let me on my Wi-Fi. Let me put on the Wi-Fi and see if we can make some short explanation explaining this. This video is not supposed to be long. We just wanted to kind of show you who is a day trader, who is a scalper, and who is a swing trader. So I could just show you something very fast. Excuse me. Okay, my internet is on now. So, okay, page is refreshing. All right. Okay. Okay, this was that trade I was taking this was that trade I talked about in the last video where I took it from here. The market is still playing around, but definitely we want to see the market drop to this point. Now, this was a 5-minute chart. A lot of money was made on this trade. Now, here, you see this trade, I took some position here. I had this drawdown, then I took some position here, and the market dropped to this point. Do you know how much money came out from here? The thing is, you won't understand. This is over 70 pips. Okay, but let's wait and just keep monitoring the trade. So long as the price stays below this black line, we are still bearish to this point. So we need to get that. I'm still in the trade, okay? I'm still in the trade. If it gets to a point that I cannot bear some of the pullback, I will just come out of the trade, okay? So, but I'm still in this trade, hoping that this trade gets to this place. I hope to update you. So if you are a scalper, this is your time frame, but make sure you watch the top-down analysis video. Once you reach 5 minutes, this is where you want to be taking trade. For example, I don't need to be explaining much here. The top-down analysis video, you already have it. Please go and watch the top-down analysis video, how I analyze the chart until I got to this point. So for example, look at this place. Look at this point. This is 5 minutes. So imagine that you have a trend line here, and then this breaks. What will you do? As a 5 minutes or as a scalper, what will you do? You can take the trade from here. From here to the next target. How many pips is that? This is over 100 pips. Okay, as a day trader, 100 pips a day, you are done. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So it is very, 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 very simple. I don't know if you get it. So this is how it works. So now look at this one now. Let's hope this one has broken, right? So another scalper can take trade from here. Can take trade from this point to this point. That's the work of a scalper. They don't stay long in a trade. From here to this point, you can take this. This is how many? This is 30 pips. If you use one lot, this is $300. Okay? If you want to just take down to like 60 pips, you can. You can. The most important thing is you have done your analysis right. Okay, and you know what the market is doing. Are you getting me? You have done your analysis and you know what the market is doing. So you get that now? Okay, let's check the swinger. Let's see what it means to be a swinger. So you are taking your trade mostly from the 4-hour chart. From the 4-hour time frame, right? This is so beautiful, isn't it? So lovely. This one, you don't need to have emotion here.